Ay, chica Tuki. Oh no.
Why you always trip it out?
What?
Yeah, you trip out.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
It's not normal.
No, I didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, I didn't.
Dude, this guy actually thinks I'm stupid. I ain't stupid.
Does it go zoop? You gotta say Halloweenie.
No, you liar.
Mm-hmm.
Halloweenie.
No, you can't say it with an accent like that.
Oh my. You know my deal got turbo?
You got turbo.
And it's STI. Does this thing goes like.
From Giovanni. Hi, this Halloweenie God respect me homie or else.
That's Alexa.
What's up, guys? You're back once again. Thank you guys always for coming back. You already know we're gonna start with a new vlog. I'm freaking cold. It is currently, let me check right now. It is 6:34 in the morning right now. Let's see, you guys see that? Yep, there you go, 6:35 now. Been up since 6 o'clock in the morning. Had to get ready for the day. So today's adventure gonna be heading off to the supercar event. We watched the Subi. We're all ready to go for that. This is gonna be the news vlog. Everyone enjoy. Now let's get into it. Let's go. Hold on. First, let's fix his bed. Much better. See you guys over there. And you made it to the location. Over here, Newport Beach. Finally here. Freaking excited, though. We have a Ford GTR right behind us, ready to go. We got David in the back. We got Augustine with his new vlog camera. It's like a $10,000 camera. No, that's no big deal. But got his new camera, directional mic, and hopefully we see some nice cars. I doubt it, huh? All right, guys. Should we get a GTR for the channel? Not clickbaiting. Really debating on it. But which one? R35 or R32 GTR? Carbon fiber rims. Not too shabby. This thing looks very fresh. This is like my 5th time seeing one in person. I remember seeing it in actual sunlight, as you guys can actually tell. But this thing's nice. I actually thought this was the whole exhaust tip, but it actually, if you can see, it's just a smaller tip itself as well. And the whole diffuser in the back is all carbon fiber as well too. Wow, all carbon fiber with the exhaust pointing up. That I love. Just the actual Lamborghini Performante. One day we'll get one. One day. Forged carbon fiber. Love the exhaust sticks tuning out. And we got the VFN engineering inside interior with forged carbon fiber also, as well as the holding the engine carrier. Not too shabby. We got the GoPro on top, of course. And then right here we got the Lamborghini Huracan Evo. Basically the Performante next to us over here, but the same performance and the same actual modifications as the Ala. Basically the air goes through the actual wing, comes out, and it comes, basically that's the same exact design, like aerodynamics, and they took that and the style of it and they put it on this little small wing right here. So that's why it almost looks like the Performante back end, but basically a transfer over. I think it looks pretty nice. Of course, no top. I prefer hard top, but this looks nice too. And same, almost the exact same front end.
I like the matte finish.
But that one has carbon fiber. You gotta get the carbon fiber. No, Ford, I miss you. Lo and behold, we have Thor. And I'm not talking about Avengers. I'm talking about Koenigsegg. This thing looks freaking nice, dude. We have diamond dust encrusted into the actual paint as well. Super clean, all carbon fiber rims. You can tell from that detail right there. Beautiful Koenigsegg brake calipers. Usually you have okay ones. I didn't actually know they were Brembo too, the Brembo pads. Come on, Brembo everything, like the STI. Look at this beautiful paint. All you can see, you can tell from all the textures. And the interior as well, all carbon fiber. Look at that door. Oh my goodness, this thing's incredible. Let's get that front end as well. Super nice. What do you guys think? Koenigsegg? Nah, we don't need Lamborghini. Just get Koenigsegg. There's another 4GT. It's trying to get the exhaust down. Come on. So we got Thor right there. We got Vader right here. We got the 27.9 miles per hour. Literally almost the same car, but different little things. And we got the right here CCXR. Look at that. All silver carbon fiber. It's not regular gray. Trust me. These cars are very pricey. But damn, does it look good. Alright. I never always talk about having a race car. Is that a race car? Nah, it's a freaking race car. Look at such a race car. There's frost in the headlights, dude. Looking fresh. Look at that tow hook. Mine, honestly, it's probably just for looks compared to this shit. This thing's been through hell, and it's such a freaking beast. Look at that. No interior. Big ass fat tires and a big wing. That's actually been signed as well. So you see the Lamborghini badge right there, and you see the guy right there. There's something in common. Augustine's truck, if you guys remember, he actually wrapped his color just the same color as this. So now we have a bright Lamborghini, now we have a bright truck. Come on, David. Augustine, they took your style, dude.
I took his style.
Took his style, yeah, you did. 700 horsepower. LP means the transmission right there. 4, 4, because all-wheel drive. Because, dude, you gotta do all-wheel drive burnouts. If you break it, I think it's fine. I love carbon fiber. Like, if I could be carbon fiber, I would be carbon fiber. And this is what I would be like. Look at this. Carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, and carbon fiber. Alright? That's so much. Look at this. More carbon. Dude, there's so much carbon everywhere. Dude! I don't know what to do. There's so many cars all around me, and I'm really freaking confused. I'm sorry if you're this right now, but dude, you get overwhelmed. I can't get all in the vlog. It's gonna be like 20 minutes, so I can't do that. I have to keep it under 13 minutes from now on, because I noticed that's what you guys mostly watch, and I'm tired of making all these long videos that doesn't actually work. So, look at that gold Hellcat. Alright, I gotta stop. Look at my flare. That's like white a little bit on the tips. All 4 carbon fiber. Volk T37s, just like the Subi. This is what we all came for right here. That's what we came for. That little asshole. STI, and not the infection. But, guys, look at this. Dude, look, there's not even no cover right here. It's just, that's... And this, like, the interior itself, wow. Very clean. And you guys can't even tell, but this thing smells like it's literally how it was first made. It's crazy.
And turbo 2. It took the engine.
All I could say is chingue su madre. I'm not sure you guys can actually hear it in person or in the video as obviously, but you can hear a little bit of turbo whine. Just barely. You gotta love turbos, dude. Once you go turbo, you can't go back. David, you gotta check this out. Come here. Dude, I've never seen this, bro. This shit is pretty crazy. Look at this exhaust. Look how weird it is.
What the heck?
So it goes in and it's all one combined. There's turbos in there. You don't even know this guy is having turbos. Look at this. There's a turbo in there. There's 2 turbos. Dude, this fool is gonna freaking sleep on someone. He's almost like, it's just a regular Gallardo. Dude, it's not even a real Lamborghini. Look, it's an Amborghini, dude. This is straight up from Subway, dude. Holy. You don't even know, dude. I didn't even expect that. But dude, give props to you, dude. Lamborghini Gallardo would probably wreck everything here. Twin turbos, who knows, probably like 7,000 bajillion horsepower. We're gonna find out right now. We have it right there with sleeping right now. She's like freaking out in the car. She's like, I don't know which way to go, dude. Let's go, come on, Porsche. Yeah, look at that. For all you classic guys, not too bad. So, a lot of you guys might be asking, why am I down here? Because mud flaps. Why? You guys always ask me, why do I spend so much on my car? That's it. That's all I gotta say. You have all these cars right now to choose from. Which one would you choose? You guys let me know. Alright guys, the homie is here. Right there. Pablo Escobar. Right there. Look at him. Rally. You go street, you go dirt, you go asphalt, you don't give up. And it can go anywhere. But this right here is a tree with El Motigi. Look at this. Oh my. Holy dude. Full rally car. I gotta get these for my Subi. Look at this, dude. Should we get it for the Subi, guys? The HALAWEENIE Subi? Look at that. What the heck is this? Who needs smog, bro? This. Yo, boy. I guess saw it. And check this out, guys. We were spotted. I think a job well done, don't you think, David? R35 GTR once again. And there's an alarm. And for everyone that knows, follow me on Instagram. Same thing as my YouTube channel, Brutal Killer 909. So you guys get the latest updates. What are you guys waiting for? Come on. I always have some poll stuff on there. Maybe we'll do some giveaways, should we? Let me know. Woman in a vehicle. This woman has some loud button hole stuff, dude. Look at this. This thing is loud as heck. Come on, Legacy. Come on. We gotta run, boy. We gotta get some of these cars leaving, dude. We got a Ferrari right there. Let's see if we can get the exit right now. Alright, guys. We're gonna get this exit board right now. Get up, horse. Let's go. Let's go, Ferrari. Let's go. Come on. Front lip. Front lip. So you guys, a lot of you guys may see this beautiful angles and stuff when we get cars and all of us, you know, getting all this filming. But you actually see, I can't freaking see out of my freaking eyes because it's in my freaking face. Here we go, here we go, here we go. I told you they slide out. America, dude. Come on, 4GT. Come on, do it, do it, do it. You guys don't really know this, but it's really rare to see a 4GT just pull off because it's so hard to get it. Oh, a Supra. Oh, it's turning in though. This guy's just moving spots. We should move our car. Oh yeah. This is gonna be it for today. Like always hit that like button. Make sure if you're new, don't forget to subscribe because we got way more content coming up soon. And one more crazy videos. We're gonna build a car. We got Augustine in the background right there. We got his brother Caesar, and this will conclude it. Until next, guys. Enjoy the video. Peace. Go.